name is Sibonelo Ngobese. I'm a master's student currently based at UWC. So I've been given the task just to tell you about my journey so far since my undergrad. So I did my undergrad bachelor's degree at the University of Sweden. So originally I am from KZN. So I actually joined the National Astrophysics and Space Science program in 2013. So you ask why would I move from mathematics to astronomy? Well, the whole idea is that mathematics is fun, but if you want to be involved in something that is very big and widely talked about, you ought to choose a project like the SKA. So that's why I actually joined astronomy, and I get to be like part of a very big community, which it would give me an opportunity to learn about science on a grand scale. Whereas applied maths would only give me an opportunity to only learn about stuff that is happening around here on Earth. So, as I've said, that in 2013 I joined the NAS program, which is based at UCT. So I'm thinking next year they will have 2 other nodes at Northwest and also UKZN. But I'll suggest that you join UCT. It's a lot of fun. The facilities are quite good, if I might say. So in 2013 I did my extended honors program, which is like a grading course. Since I didn't have any astronomy background, so in 2013 I was just trying to get into the habit of stuff. So in 2014, last year, I did the mainstream course, which is like the honors, the real stuff, where you are based on. You are taught a lot of programming and a lot of astronomy, if I might say, yeah. So this year, I started doing my masters. And it was broken into 2 sections. You do a bit of coursework, and then you go on to research. So the first semester, which is like from January to June maybe, I was doing my coursework at UCT. So right now I just started my doing my project at UWC, which should run from currently until next year. And I'm hoping I'll be finished by then. And my interest mostly is like computer programming and cosmology. Cosmology is just because I guess I'll have to say that I'm fond of the maths. Okay. Well, some of the impacts John has already mentioned, that in terms of growing the science and the technology development that South Africa currently has. So SKA is supposed to give us, as young people, a chance to be involved in projects that will improve our science understanding and technology as a whole country. So the other impact that it has provided is like giving us programs that are like NAS, of which I'm a product of, and some of them are like leadership. It has like given up leadership programs for career students, and growing the engineering community and computer science. Also, as John mentioned, that SK will be producing a lot of data, of which astronomers have no idea how to analyze. So it is aimed to actually grow the data analysis part of our science sector, if I must say. Yeah. Oh, and I've said this already, you get to mingle with a lot of different cultures and be able to be involved in an academic community. So this is just what you guys can get involved in currently, as you are like, you said you are grade 11? Yes. Okay, so there's a program called job shadowing. So you can either go to UWC or UCT. And what you'll be basically doing there is just spending a day with an astronomer, seeing what an astronomer or a cosmologist does on a normal day. Also, you'll be visiting a telescope, which is based at the school living bursary, of which SK gives you a chance to be involved. Like it gives you funding for you to learn astronomy from like I think it's second year at UWC. If you don't join up the NAS program like I did. So that's it for me. So I'll take questions if you have.
The slide before this, you said you finished your applied mathematics in 2012.
Yes, 2012.
Did you start or did you finish?
I started 2010 and then I finished 2012. Yeah.
So can you tell me more about the leadership?
I would say, well, SK gives you like I think it's bursary money. So you do your. They only sponsor people who are doing physics, and then from second year they start introducing astronomy courses up to third year, and then after that they send you. I think they sent two of my friends who were with them when I did my mainstream honors at UCT. So after that, and then you come back to them at UWC to continue your masters and onwards to PhD.